Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Before we get started, I just want to give a quick shout out and say thanks so much for being the first to comment on my last video. For today's video, I'm going to be showing you guys how to transform press-on nails and make sure that they last 2+ weeks, but also transform press-on nails to look like, you just walked out of a salon and it's a fresh full set. So let's get started. As you can see, I'm just going in first and sizing my nails. Just making sure that the nail sizes fit wall to wall. These specific press-ons were purchased from Shein. That's pretty much where I purchased the majority of my press-ons because they're inexpensive and a great price. So to apply them, I'll be using my solid nail tip glue gel. When doing this method, I did want to call out these nail tips are a little bit more translucent. So in some aspects of life, cheap isn't ideal, but the more cheapy it looks for press-ons, the better. So as you can see, I just showed you guys that nail glue thingy. It's a barrier. So I apply it to my nails and then I apply my press-ons. I just wanted to show you guys just in case, and it allows you to pop off your nails easily. So maybe if you're interested in like trying nails and you don't want it to be like your full nail look yet without doing prep and everything, like you don't want it to fully adhere to your nail, that's what that is. It's like a peel off base, so your nails pop right off. And that's how I record my videos. As you guys know, sometimes I record multiple videos in a day. So that's the product I use that allows me to do that. So I just wanted to share that with you guys. But if you wanted to do full prep so your nails last 2+ weeks, be on the lookout. I'll link a video below where I show you my full prep routine, but I am going to be creating a separate video soon showing you guys my full prep routine from start to finish, and that's just going to be one whole separate video. So that's be on the lookout for that. Subscribe to my channel, turn on my post notifications, and that video should be coming out within the next few weeks here. You can see it's very simple. So this is my solid nail tip glue gel. It's available for purchase in my Etsy shop, and the link to it will be down below. But as you can see, I'm just going in and scooping a pea size amount and then applying it to my nail. Very easy, super quick. You guys love this solid nail tip glue gel. I'm so happy because it's my favorite. It's truly been a game changer in making the whole nail tip application thing like super easy, super seamless. So as you can see, I just did this on all of my fingers. This video is sped up, but it took me under 5 minutes. And as you can see, after I apply all my nails, at this point is where I would go in and cure my nails. You can do it for each individual nail you apply, but it just helps eliminate that time your hand is in and out of the UV lamp. So I recommend applying all of them and then going in and doing a final cure for about 1 minute and 30 seconds. So here I'm just going in with some snippers, clipping around my edges, any excess glue, nail tip, solid glue that oozes out. I'm just going in and cleaning that up. And you do want to do this before you cure because it makes it easier, but anything that you may have missed, I just go in with some cuticle nippers and it makes it easy to remove. Now I'm going in with an e-file, I'm going in with an emery board. So this is an 80 grit emery board. This was purchased off of Amazon. I'll be sure to have the link to this down below, but if you've never used an 80 grit nail file, if you're just used to using your typical standard 100 grit nail file, definitely give it a try. Definitely invest in these 80 grit nail files because they are a game changer. They just make your nails come out so sharp and so sleek. So I'll leave a link to the ones I use specifically down below. I believe it comes in like a 20 pack for like $7, something very inexpensive. So I'll have the link to that down below. So here's what the nails are looking like. I'm just going in, dusting off all of that excess powder, and then we're going to apply top coat. So if you do want to take an extra step, you can go in with the e-file and really smooth out those cuticles to make it look flushed and seamless. These nail tips just did a good job of doing that without me having to take that extra step, but there's definitely that option there. This is the Model 1's top coat, one of my favorites. You guys know this is my tried and true. And I'm just going in and applying that top coat. As you can see, I do this method where I swipe the sides just to eliminate that bulkiness that happens on the sides. Just try it out. If you ever polish your nails or use the top coat, just always wipe the sides and you'll see a major difference. But I'm going in, I'm just using that top coat. As you can see, these press-ons do have chunky gems, charms. So I just go around it. I know some people like to paint over, but personally, I don't. I just apply around it. And my favorite last and final step, cuticle oil. You definitely want to make sure you're investing in an ultra hydrating cuticle oil. That's very important. Honestly, the most important part of nails, in my opinion, because if your cuticles are dry and crusty, it does not matter how cute your nail set is, the whole nail look is just off. Definitely invest in an ultra hydrating cuticle oil. So here's the final nail look. Very cute, very flush to the cuticle, and you probably wouldn't even believe that this is a press-on. It looks like you walked fresh out of a salon. So if you guys enjoyed this video, please don't forget to leave me a like, comment, and subscribe. I love you guys so much, and I will catch you in my next video. Bye.